In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your Sennheiser Bluetooth headphones on a laptop is extremely simple. There are various different models of Sennheiser headphones that support Bluetooth, such as the 350BT or the 450BT, and you will be able to follow the same steps to connect all of them. So first, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on your laptop. You will be able to go over to the settings and double check to see if Bluetooth is enabled. Once it is, under the list of available devices, you just have to set up your Sennheiser headphones into pairing mode. To do this, usually you will have to press a specific physical button on the headphones. Refer to the manual if you need specific instructions, but for most models, it is going to be this button that I've highlighted here. So immediately upon pressing and holding this button, the LED indicator will flash and it is going to tell you that they are ready to be paired. So the headphones are now in pairing mode. So if you look under the list of available devices on your laptop, you will be able to choose them from the list. Immediately upon selecting your Sennheiser headphones from the list of available Bluetooth devices, they will pair themselves up with the laptop, and now all of the audio being output will go over to the Sennheiser headphones. You will be able to see the battery levels, and you can use them as long as they are sufficiently charged. They are going to transmit all of the audio, so when you watch a video, when you are inside of a game, and so on, and they will remain connected regardless of the time that goes by. When they are out of battery, they will automatically turn off, so you just have to charge them back up again. And this will work for any model of Sennheiser Bluetooth headphones that you have. If it doesn't work, I recommend restarting Bluetooth and making sure that the headphones haven't been paired up with another device around the room. As long as you choose it under the list of available devices, they are going to work flawlessly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser Bluetooth to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.